In a major development, Delhi High Court has favored the introduction of Uniform Civil Code, reports PTI. The Delhi Court has said that the Indian youth need not be forced to struggle with issues arising due to conflicts in various personal laws in relation to marriage and divorce. The modern Indian society was gradually becoming homogeneous. The traditional barriers of religion, community, and caste are slowly dissipating, and thus, Uniform Civil Code ought not to remain a mere hope, Justice Pratibha M. Singh stated in an order dated July 7th. The youth of India belonging to various communities, tribes, castes, or religions who solemnize their marriages ought not to be forced to struggle with issues arising due to conflicts in various personal laws, especially in relation to marriage and divorce, the order said. While referring to several decisions of the Supreme Court on the need for uniform civil code, including the historical Shah Bano case of 1985, the High Court said, the hope expressed in Article 44 of the Constitution that the state shall secure for its citizens uniform civil code ought not to remain a mere hope. In the Shah Bano case, the Supreme Court had said that a common civil code would help the cause of national integration by removing disparate loyalties to laws having conflicting ideologies. It had also observed that the state was charged with the duty of securing uniform civil code for the citizens of the country. The High Court observed that the need for uniform civil code was reiterated from time to time by the Supreme Court. However, it is unclear as to what steps have been taken in this regard till date. It directed that a copy of the order be communicated to the Secretary, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India for necessary action as deemed appropriate. The court was dealing as to whether the marriage between the parties who belonged to the Meena community were excluded from the ambit of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. When the husband sought divorce, the wife contended that Hindu Marriage Act did not apply to them as Meena community was a notified scheduled tribe in Rajasthan. The court rejected the wife's stand and said that cases like the present one highlight the need for such a code common to all, which would enable uniform principles being applied in respect of aspects such as marriage, divorce, succession, etc. It recorded that since inception of the litigation, both parties have pleaded that their marriage was solemnized according to Hindu rites and ceremonies and they follow Hindu customs. News Desk, Kaumudi, English.